Sup YouTube, this is my 2-year review of the Fantom Wallet. You see I have two sets here, and this is my original one from I bought in 2020, and it has some serious wear. You can tell it's been used for 2 years. And this is the money clip that's supposed to go with it, but it broke off from use over 2 years because I put money in here and it expands, and then I take it out and it contracts like this a whole bunch. So the screws became very loose, and then eventually this thing just fell off. So I have to carry my money in here like this. Luckily I don't use cash very often, so I haven't needed to use this yet, but it is kind of a hassle to have to keep it in there and use less cards than you would. So after this money clip broke off, I had to contact customer support and see about using my warranty, because every wallet comes with a lifetime warranty. So I contacted them and I said, hey, can I get a new wallet? And it was no problem. And at first I asked, can I have the money band with this instead of the clips? Maybe that lasts longer. But they said the money band only comes with the higher option wallet. So I said, okay, never mind, I'll stick with the clip. So here's the new one. It came in the packaging like this. I pulled it out and it came in these two boxes. First one, let's see. Packing slip, user guide, coupon, and the wallet. Things in that tight. Okay. And inside here is a little Allen wrench and another user guide. Okay. So here is the new and the old one side by side. It looks like there's maybe a new kind of finish, unless this is just from years of use. The back side. Okay, so there has been some changes. I just noticed there's one extra screw here. So they have changed the design in the last 2 years. Since 2020, it's now 2022. Money clip, hopefully this one doesn't break on me. I guess I'll try not to put so much cash in there. Okay, so let's see my old stuff and the new stuff. And let's see if it operates. Oh yeah, a lot tighter tolerance here. Still fans out. Perhaps better than my old one. Let's see, so we have about this gap here. Let's see that on the old wallet. Yeah, still the same. Definitely a lot tighter tolerance. Now, one thing I noticed on the back of the cards, as you can see, they get very scratched from being slid out all the time. But I have used this magnetic strip with all the scratches on it, and it still works. So that's one thing to notice. If you don't like that, and it does scratch up this security code here, everything here. So that's one thing to notice if you're going to get this wallet, but I'm sure it's the same with the Ridge and any other flat stacked wallets like that. You can see very scratched on here. Now the money would go like this. Just slide it in. And I have noticed that when I use this money clip, taking out the money and then unfolding it and then finding the bills you need does take longer than a traditional wallet. However, I use cash so little that rarely matters in comparison to always having your bills out in a regular wallet, to the space saving that you would have with this. But overall, it's a great wallet. I will continue to use it. It does save a lot of room, a lot of hassle. I have no problems finding it. I don't lose things easily. And I would recommend this to anyone else. At one point I had up to probably 7 cards in here, and now I just have 3. But I definitely recommend this wallet. I give it a good, let's say, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. And that is my review, my 2-year review of the Fantom Wallet.